Today we're staying at Walt Disney All-Star Music Resort, and you get in with your magic band. And then when you walk into the room, you have a table and you have a bed and you have like a stand that has the Hey Disney um, thingy on it. We have a refrigerator, which is a nice one. I like the glass front, it looks really cool. And then, of course, you have your ice bucket, you have a coffee maker. You also have a large TV and a desk, a queen size bed. The TV is really big, it's a good size TV. And this room is an adjoining room. You have USB ports on your nightstands. The sink or lavatory is on the outside of the bathroom. You have a small closet. It's good enough for us, ironing board and iron. And you have a bathroom with a tub and a shower. And overall, we really like this resort. The bed lets down where the table is located, which is very easily done in case you have, like four people or three. But it's very convenient. And when you're finished with it, you can put it right back up. It's very easy to do. And when you have it put up, of course, you have your table again there where you can take your meals and eat.
And please hit the subscribe and like button and leave comments below.